Okay, good morning. So we start off with another lesson, Thursday. Okay, chapter 1 continue using my paper module. Okay, you need to complete exercise 3, page 3, and then exercise 10 to 14, page 5 to 6. So we look at quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation diagram shows a piece of land. Okay, this is the piece of land. The length is 5 plus 20 meter, 5 plus 20 meter, and the width is x plus 5 meter. Write a function for the area of A of the land. So to get the area of the rectangular must be length times width. Okay, the length x plus 20 times the width x plus 5. Then you write the function, you need to simplify it, expand it, x times x, x power 2, x times positive 5x, 20 times x, 20x. Okay, so you get this one. X square, then x times positive 5x, then plus 20 times x plus 20x, then 20 plus times 5, 100 plus 100. So plus 5, this one is x, plus 5 plus 20, 25x. So x squared plus 25x plus 100. Okay, so this is the function, the area of the land. Then B, if the area of the land is 250, so x squared plus 25x plus 100 equal to 250. Write quadratic equation. Okay, so your answer must be in this form, general form. So x squared plus 25x plus 100 plus 250 bring over minus 250 equal to 0. Then you simplify 100 minus 250 is to get negative 150. Okay, so you get answer is x squared plus 25x minus 250x. Okay, 150 equal to 0, sorry. So x squared plus 25x minus 150 equal to 0. So example 9, okay, a stone is thrown vertically, so the stone thrown like this vertically, then will drop like this. Okay, from a platform. Then the distance of the stone from the ground is given by h equal to 6 plus 11t minus 2t squared, where t is the time in second after throw. When does the stone hit the ground? Okay, so the h is the distance. So when it hit the ground, the distance is 0. The h is 0. Okay, no more distance between the stone and the ground. So then you know the time when the stone hit the ground. So 6 plus 11t minus 2t squared equal to 0. Then of course you have to put in general form, the t square must be on in front, t middle, then 6 without the t at the back, equal to 0. So negative 2t squared bring over become positive 2t squared. Positive 11t bring over, you get negative 11t. 6 bring over negative 6. You must always make sure the t square is positive. Then from here you, okay, you use this method. Still remember this? Okay, T2 means 2 times 1 or 1 times 2. 1 times 2. Okay, t squared that means is t times t. Okay, so 1 times 2, 2 t times t, t squared, 2t squared. Then 6 is either 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Okay, which one to use? Okay, so if I use 2, 3, 2 times 2, you get 4, 4 plus 3, I cannot get 11. 4 plus 3, I get 7 only. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, 8. I cannot get 11, so I cannot use 2, 3. I use 1, 6. Okay, if 6 times 2 is 12, 12 minus 1, I get 11. Okay, so 1, 6. So it's either 1, 6 here or 6, 1 here. If you cannot get answer, then you change place. Okay, so I think it's 6 to be here, 1 here because the 2 is here. So then negative means 1 positive and 1 negative. The big one must be negative because here middle negative. So big one must be negative. Here will be positive. Negative, positive, negative. 6 times 1, 6. Then from here, negative 6 times 2t, you get negative negative 12t. Then 1t times positive 1t, positive 1t. So for negative 12 plus 1 is negative 11t, same. Then from here, t minus 6, t minus 6, 2t plus 1, 2t plus 1. So 2t plus 1 equal to 0, t minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so 1 bring over negative 1, 2 bring over become divide 2. So negative 1 over 2. Negative 6 bring over positive 6. So answer is 6. Why? Because time cannot be negative. Next example 10. Sketch graph for quadratic functions if x equal to negative 2x squared plus 8. Okay, so you need to sketch. Okay, so you got this one. Then you look at the x square, negative, positive. So negative, the shape is like this. Okay, if positive, the shape will be like this. Okay, then you can uh, make sure you get, let's say the x is 0. Okay, the x is 0, that means over here. Yeah, okay, x0. So x0 I replace 0 here. Here I replace 0 is negative 2 bracket 0 square plus 8. So from here calculator I get 8. So x is 0, y is 8. So here is 0, 8. Sorry, 0, 8. X0 is 0, 8. X0, sorry, no x0 here. X0 is here. Here is x0. Okay, x0, y is 8, 0, 8, t is 0, 8, not 0, 4. How come 0, 4? 0, 8, Then if hx equal to 0, the y is 0, y 0, x will be this point. Okay, well, y0 equal to negative 2x squared plus 8. So negative 2x squared bring over positive 2x squared equal to 8. 2 bring over divide 8 divided by 2, you get 4. So power 2 bring over plus minus square root of 4. So it's either positive 2 or negative 2. Two answer. Okay. Okay. This one diagram wrong. This one wrong. Okay, so it's O here. So it's either negative 2, 0 or positive 2, 0. Okay, so it's negative 2, 0. Here is positive 2, 0. Okay, you got these 3 points already, can sketch the graph roughly because you know the shape is like this. Okay, which of the following, you can also use another method lah. Okay, some of you maybe you say, oh, I want to use this method. X, Y. Also can. Okay, if X is 0, the Y is how many? Okay, but you must know that if you start with X0, is starting from here only. This side you can't find. Okay, so sometimes you need to see like this. So we look at example 11. Which of the following graph represent y equal x squared minus 1? So here is x squared. Here in front is positive. So it's U shape. So it's either this one A or C only. The B and D cannot be answered. Okay. Then from here, like a U shape already. So x equal to 0. Let's say x0 is here. Okay, x0 here. So x equal to 0, you replace 0 square minus 1 minus 1. So from calculator, I get negative 1. So I get 1 negative 1. So it's 0 negative 1. So answer is A. Cannot be C. Because if let's say you put, okay, I want to get here y equal to 0. Okay, y 0 means x square minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0. So negative 1 bring over positive 1. So x square bring over square root of positive negative 1. Square root of positive negative 1 is 1. Positive 1 or negative 1. So it's either negative 1 or positive 1. Here is 0. Okay, so it's negative 1, 0, 1, 0. Negative 1, 0, 1, 0. So answer is confirmed here, A. So if you got extra time, you can do the project-based learning from the textbook. Chapter 1, page 29. And now one is page 31. If you got any question, you can ask me. Okay, so if you want to send it, you can send it either soft copy also can. You send me hard copy also can. Soft copy you can send it through WhatsApp, or you can send it through Google Classroom. Hard copy you can print out or do anything or write down, and you give it to me when school return.